How did WWII shipping convoys transport crated aircraft? Imagine a vast sea filled with ships, each carrying precious cargo that could turn the tide of battle. During World War II, shipping convoys were essential for moving military equipment across dangerous waters. Among their most delicate cargo were crated aircraft, packed carefully to survive the roughest seas and enemy attacks. But how exactly did they do it? Well, aircraft were usually shipped in disassembled parts, known as crated aircraft. These crates held the wings, fuselage, tail sections, and other components, all secured tightly to prevent damage. The process started at the factory or assembly plant, where aircraft were taken apart into manageable pieces. These parts were then packed into specially designed crates that fit perfectly into the cargo holds of merchant ships. Loading was a careful operation, often requiring skilled workers and special equipment like cranes or forklifts. The crates were stacked either below deck or on deck if space allowed, and they were strapped down to stop shifting during rough seas. Convoys, often made up of dozens of ships, traveled together under the protection of naval escorts. These escorts included warships and aircraft that kept enemy submarines and planes at bay. The ships moved in tight formations, sometimes with up to 60 vessels, to maximize protection. To defend the cargo, some ships had catapult systems that launched fighter planes to intercept enemy threats. Once the convoy reached its destination port, the crates were unloaded carefully using cranes and other equipment. The aircraft parts were then taken to airfields or assembly plants, where they were put back together, tested, and made ready for combat. This method of shipping was vital because it allowed the Allies to keep their air forces supplied even when local production was limited. It balanced the need for space efficiency with the danger of enemy attacks, ensuring that aircraft reached the front lines safely. So, in essence, WWII shipping convoys transported crated aircraft by dismantling, packing, and securing the parts in crates, then moving them safely across hostile seas protected by naval and air escorts until they arrived and could be reassembled for action.